Hi, welcome back to this video. In today's video we are going to see how you can write KP expression and their units for given chemical equations, and this topic is called chemical equilibrium. For those that want to know, it's called chemical equilibrium. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in. So let's take the first one, this one which says 2H2 gas plus S2 plus 2H2 to give 2H2S. Now to write Kp expression, we know that Kp expression is always a ratio of product and their activities divided by reactant and their activities. So in this case, the first equation has H2S as the product, while hydrogen and sulfur as the reactant. So to write the Kp expression for this one, we say concentration. To write the Kp expression for this, we say the partial pressure of the product, which is H2S, raised to the power of stoichiometric number, which is 2, that is number of moles, all divided by partial pressure of the reactant. The first one is H2 raised to the power of its stoichiometric number times partial pressure of S2, and then this is how you write Kp expression. The next thing is to find the unit. Now we all know that unit of pressure may be atmosphere, millimeter mercury, and what have you. So the most prominent one we use in chemical equilibrium is atmosphere. So we'll assume that the unit for each of the species here in the chemical equation is in atmosphere. So to write the unit, we said ATM, but remember it is square divided by, again, ATM, which is also squared, and another ATM. Since they are all pressures, so we take the same unit. So now, as you know, this is ATM square and this is also ATM square, so this will cancel this and will be left with 1 over ATM, which is the same as per ATM. So the unit of this equation is per ATM. This is how you write Kp expression and the unit. So let's move to number 2. So for number 2, we follow the same procedure. We say Kp equals to partial pressure of NH3 square because of these two. Then we divide by the reactant, partial pressure of N2 and partial pressure of H2. This time around power 3 or cube, because the number of moles of hydrogen is 3. So this is the Kp expression. So now we can go ahead and write the unit. So for unit, here we have a square, so we are going to take ATM square, and then here we have ATM, and here we have ATM cube. So as you know, this square will cancel this cube here and will be left with only 1. So we will have 1 over ATM square, which can be written as per atm square. So the unit of this chemical equation is per unit square, and the Kp expression is this. So this is how you write Kp expression for equilibrium equations when you are asked. If you are enjoying this video, please share the video, subscribe, and do well to leave a comment, a like, which will help the video move along. Thank you.